So in today's video, guys, I show you how to take off a flywheel key off of a lawnmower. This is just a Briggs & Stratton lawnmower, very common for all lawnmowers. So I've taken everything off already, and right now what I'm doing is just re-threading the nut so that the nut is nice and flush with the top of the crankshaft here. And next thing you want to do is take a pry bar of some sort. I have a nice big one here, and stick it in between, just to put pressure on a metal spot of the engine block underneath the flywheel. And then the easiest way to do this is just to, while you're putting pressure on that, give it a nice rap on the top with a nice big hammer. And there you go. Now, there is a special tool you could use. It's a little puller that you could put on here that actually will do the same thing, but I don't have one of those. So that is how you take off a flywheel off of your lawnmower. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out on the channel. And until next time, take care.